Understanding roof maintenance. Protecting your home's top layer. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the topic of roof maintenance. Keeping your roof in good shape is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. Let's dive into what roof maintenance involves and why it's so important. Remember, a well-maintained roof is key to a safe and dry home. Roof maintenance involves regular inspections and necessary repairs to ensure your roof remains in good condition. This can include cleaning gutters, removing debris, and replacing damaged shingles. Regular maintenance helps in extending the life of your roof and preventing costly repairs. Maintaining your roof is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it protects your home from water damage by ensuring that rainwater drains properly. Secondly, it helps in maintaining the insulation of your home, keeping your energy bills down. Lastly, a well-maintained roof contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. Here are some basic tips to keep your roof in top shape. 1. Inspect your roof regularly. Look for signs of damage like missing or broken shingles. 2. Keep your gutters clean. Blocked gutters can cause water to pool on your roof, leading to damage. 3. Trim overhanging branches. This prevents leaves from accumulating on the roof and keeps squirrels and other animals away. 4. Check for moss and algae. These can damage the roof if not treated. While basic maintenance can be done by homeowners, certain situations require professional help. If you notice extensive damage, signs of a leak, or if your roof is older, it's wise to contact a professional roofer. They can provide a thorough inspection and carry out any necessary repairs. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in maintaining your roof effectively. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in protecting your home. Stay safe and take care of your roof.